Okay, getting started. That is the perfect entry point to 4-5. Look at that. I'm such a cheater. Drawing the perfect lines, utilizing a combination of computer navigation, anatomic technique, and the false Luke. Good bone. Nice, Michelle. Screw. All right, it's going to be a 7.5 by 40 at L5. Oh, but the bones are too good. This is sharing in the OR. Kendra, could you hold the navigation system while I put the screw in?
If I must.
Thank you.
You're so welcome.
We make such a good team. Okay, we're getting started. This is really my favorite surgery. Don't tell my other surgeries I said this, but this is my favorite surgery. MIS TLIF with computer-assisted navigation using the sexiest cage alive. And your bone is really strong. This is awesome. Right? This L5 is almost like an S1. But we still love you. El retractor lights, por favor. And I have the 4mm carcinoma. Looking good in here. 3mm carcinoma. Alrighty, I'm at the working triangle, and I'm now doing the Jens Chapman, one of my heroes with spine surgery. Intradiscal osteotomy. Because it's awesome. This is my favorite part of the surgery. Inserting the sexiest cage alive right here. Look at that. That'll expand to 17 millimeters tall, starting at 10. And let's not forget the fact that it's 3D printed surface with rounded edges, a bulleted nose, and a very pretty blue color. Look how smoothly it goes in. It's almost like being invited in. It's like, please, come on in. Feeling a little greedy. And loving it. Wow.
Okay.
Woo! She's been working out. Here you go.
Yes.
Surgery's all done. We did those 2 little incisions, about 1 inch long. There's also a poke hole over there for the computer navigation tracking pin. And this is our shower-resistant dressing. The surgery went absolutely perfectly, and we're all expecting you to get a great result, and we're all wishing you a speedy recovery. Right, guys?
Yeah!